हेलो एवरीवन। आई साउंड वर्ड की रीडिंग के बाद 3 और 4 लेटर्स के बाद आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू रीड स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस। कैसे हम बच्चों को छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस पढ़ना सिखा सकते हैं एज वी आर फेसिंग सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स इन रीडिंग, क्योंकि बच्चों को फोनेक्स क्लियर नहीं होते हैं, उन्हें 3 लेटर वर्ड्स पढ़ना नहीं आता, 4 लेटर वर्ड्स पढ़ना नहीं आता. दिस इज द बिग टेंशन. So what you will do, first you will clear the phonics, then 2 letter words, 3 letter words and 4 letter words. You can watch my videos, then I will tell you how to read short sentences. So first, whenever we will do the reading, A, अगर कहीं पे भी A लिखा है हम उसको read करते हैं we will not supposed to say A, and even we will not speak the sound A. हम उसको A भी नहीं बोलेंगे और A भी नहीं बोलेंगे. We will speak A. T in tin. Tin. Big tin. Big tin. Tim. It hit. The T in tin. Tim hit the tin. At cat. Cat. At rat. Rat. Cat bit a rat. Cat bit a rat. You can see in the picture. Kid. Kid. Pit. Pet. Kid fell. Fell. In pit. Kid fell in a pit. You can see in this picture, this is a kid and this is the pit. Pit means gadda. A kid fell in a pit. Jill. Jill. This girl name is Jill. Jill. Her as has. Pill. Jill has a pill. Jill. Is. Is. Ill. Jill is ill. After taking the reading, you can make short sentences related to picture. Oh wow, look here. He is a boy. His name is Tim. Wow. Now see the next picture. Here is a cat. And see, a cat bit a rat. You can see here is a rat. Now see here. Here is a kid. And this is a pet. A kid fell in a pit. Oh wow, here is a girl who is sitting on the bed. And the girl name is Jill. And Jill has a pill. Pill means dawai, medicine. And Jill is ill. It means Jill is not well. So you can describe the picture and take the reading. This is the easy way to take reading through phonics. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.